Hi everybody, Dave here. We're in the New to You Fishing Southern Kitchen. We have a recipe. We haven't done a recipe for a while, and this is a recipe that we've used quite frequently. It's chimichurri with fish, and I know everybody thinks of chimichurri on beef, but it's really an excellent topping for any firm white fish. So we're going to take you through show you the ingredients, take you through the process, and as usual, at the end, we'll do a taste test. I don't think there's anything special associated with this. It's a basic chimichurri. Uh, you've got to put all the ingredients in that sauce, however, and we're actually going to do the chimichurri first because you want that to marinate and all those flavors to blend together. So we're going to do that first, put it in the refrigerator, and then we'll work on our fish. We've got mackerel to go with the chimichurri tonight. It's a fish that was caught yesterday at the beach. It's all filleted, and we're going to just do a simple panko and then a pan fry. Let's have a look. Here's the ingredients for our chimichurri on fish tonight. Here's our mackerel. We're going to coat that in the mayo, dredge it in the panko. There's obviously many ways you can get panko or breadcrumbs to stick. We're going to use mayo today. I don't think we've done that on the channel, but it's very effective. Salt and pepper with that. Then the chimichurri sauce itself has salt and pepper, minced garlic. We've got half a cup here of chopped parsley. We just chopped that. Red wine vinegar, key for the acidity. Olive oil, some oregano, and can't really have chimichurri without some crushed red pepper. So that's all there is to it. So we're going to work on the chimichurri sauce first. And as I said, we'll let that marinate in the fridge while we get going on the fish. And the Modelo Negro, that's for the chef, not part of the recipe. Sorry, I shouldn't have that in there. Let's prep our fish. Everything else is marinating. So we're just going to do a quick salt, pepper. The mayo process is fairly straightforward. Just squeeze and spread. Not much to see here. And then we'll just dredge with the panko. You do a quick time lapse so you can speed through this. Okay, our pan is ready. A couple of tablespoons of peanut oil. Our fish is ready. Our chimichurri is ready. Let's finish it up and get it plated. All right, we're going to let those do a little quick pan fry. Let's show you what we also have. We've got a little yellow rice. We have some, it was leftover yellow rice. We put some leftover corn on the cob, pulled it off the cob. A little cilantro, little Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. We just flipped our fish. We'll give it a couple more minutes and then we'll be ready to go. All right, there it is. We've got our chimichurri sauce over our pan-fried mackerel, crusted panko, got our yellow rice and corn, kicked up mixture, and we're ready to go. Taste test coming up. I'm really happy with this. Crusting is perfect on the fish. The chimichurri, just like you'd expect. Just enough garlic, enough heat, The fresh parsley, excellent. Our side with the rice and corn is also outstanding. Jeanette, would you like to add any comments?
Very good. The food was delicious. The picked up Creole rice and corn goes really well with the panko crusted chimichurri fish. Very good. Delicious.
There you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and consider subscribing to New to You Fishing. Thanks a lot. Bye.